Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We have a smartwatch. This is specifically a sports smartwatch. So without further ado, let's get into it. So there's this nice little clear package there. It's a nice display box really, showing the watch off straight from the front there. Take off a bit of foam. Take that out. You get a little small USB cable. And you also get a charging dock, pretty basic, pretty small, not much in there, feels quite cheap, plasticky, not like my Samsung Galaxy one I have. So it's the FitVII, is that V or is it 7? Not quite sure, P1C. As you go through, just the basic user manual, replacing the watch, charging it, so charging time about 2 hours. And so on and so forth. It is IP68 rated, so that means it should be waterproof. GPS sports mode, la da 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 da. Anyway, let's pop the watch off its mount. Now it's quite a nice colour scheme with the grey and the, if you can see that, it's like a soft stainless steel there. It's rather nice. Then you got the grey strap itself, really nice and stretchy, rubbery, soft, very nice. So let's pop that off. Right then, let's power it on. There we go. Hello. Right, so around the watch itself, we got a nice metal bezel around the screen. 2 soft touch buttons here, help to move up and down the menu. Is this touchscreen as well? Oh yes it is. Oh, what have I done? I'm assuming that's the back button. Back. Oh no, yes, there we go. So the home screen. Let's turn it off. So on the back, obviously that's your heart rate sensor. And your charging points right there. It feels really solid, feels really nice. Let's just give that a go. There we go. So quite easy to just pop off there. If you had any different ones to swap them with. So screen, decently responsive. Not too bad. Oh, nice, I like that. That's pretty cool. How do you turn it out? There we go. So that's a flashlight mode there. If you were trying to use this to see anything in the dark, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I really haven't played around with this at all, so forgive me for not being able to give that much of an insight to it. But I thought I'd show you guys just around it, see what it was like. The screen is slightly, ever so slightly rounded, you can see there. Not much, but just a little bit of a curve on there. Right then, sports, run, cycle, fast walk, climb, basketball, badminton, table tennis, soccer, volleyball, sit-ups, rope jump, yoga, dance, aerobics, ice skating and swimming, and tennis as well. Why is tennis all the way at the bottom for? That's pretty cool. The resolution on the screen is, I mean, I can see the pixels just. I don't know how well you guys can see that there. It looks rather nice. The colour looks a bit nicer than it does on the actual camera that you guys can see. Overall, yeah, it's nice. Let me try and zoom in a little bit more and show you guys. You can just see the pixels there, and you can just see the reflection of my S10 Plus in the background there as well. Right, so steps, stand, energy, none. Oh no, we don't want that. Settings. See if we can get the date and time swapped around. Yeah, so it seems decently responsive. I mean, it's not going to have like smartphone responsiveness on the screen there. I mean, but this did cost £65 from Amazon. Now I will be doing a more detailed review once I've had more time to try it out and have a look at everything. I mean, you're getting a really light picture there, but actually that is really green. It's almost like a lime green on the screen there. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. It's gonna work. And I mean, £65 is that a lot for a touchscreen smartwatch these days? I mean, I think my Gear S3 is rather overpriced for what you get with it, but I do love it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification for my latest updated videos, and please leave comments of anything that you would like reviewed related to any of my other products that I review. Thank you very much, and I will catch you all in the next video.